Hello everyone, welcome to the setup tutorial for Quickdial Automatic Water Timer. Ensure you have the following ready: 1 water timer, 2 AAA batteries not included, 1 Teflon tape. Note: regional compatibility may vary. Check local standards. Insert 2 AAA alkaline batteries into the battery compartment of the timer. Attach the timer vertically to the outdoor faucet. Hand tighten only. Activate timer. Short press the manual watering button to cycle valve. Ensure faucet is off. Listen for click. Test timer. Open the faucet slightly. Short press the manual watering button to test the flow. Set run time. Turn the how long dial to select watering duration. Set schedule time. Turn the how often dial to select frequency. Program successfully. Manual watering. Press the manual button to start or stop watering. Light indicators. Setting: green flashes 5 times, then stays on 2 seconds. Working: green blinks every 5 seconds. Low battery: red on for 1 second, then off. Off: red flashes, stays on 2 seconds, then off.